Tammy Slaton has lived much of her life in the public eye, and every season of 1000 LB Sisters seems to add a shocking new twist that fans never saw coming. From her life-threatening weight struggles to her triumphant weight loss surgery to her heartfelt search for love, Tammy has always kept audience guessing about what could possibly happen next. Now, in what may be one of the most unexpected crossovers in TLC reality television history, Tammy's engagement celebration has suddenly merged with another fan-favorite franchise, 90 Day Fiancé. Viewers who follow both shows know that TLC likes to shake up storylines with surprises, but no one thought a Slaton family event would somehow include a cameo twist from a cast member of 90 Day Fiancé. The news has quickly spread across fan pages, sparking viral conversations and debates about how it all happened, why it makes sense, and what it might mean for Tammy's future as both her love story and reality TV journey evolve in front of millions. The Slaton sisters, Tammy and Amy, became breakout stars thanks to their unique blend of humor, family chaos, and raw honesty about life as morbidly obese women battling serious health problems. While Amy focused on raising her children and balancing family life, Tammy's story often centered on her health battles and turbulent love life. For years, fans worried Tammy would never find the right person after she faced heartbreak, toxic relationships, and near-fatal medical emergencies. But things took a dramatic turn when Tammy found herself in a stable relationship with Andrea Dalton, and the pair surprised everyone by announcing their engagement. TLC cameras were there to capture the emotional proposal, the happy tears, and the shocked but supportive reactions of the Slaton family. Yet what truly sent fans into a frenzy was the sudden appearance of a face they never expected to see at Tammy's engagement celebration. A 90 Day Fiancé alum who had apparently been invited to the festivities and even played a small role in the event. This unusual cameo has instantly turned Tammy's engagement into one of the most talked about TLC events of the year. Fans who were following live social media updates began posting screenshots and shaky video clips from the party that appeared to show a familiar 90 Day Fiancé star mingling with the Slaton family and chatting with Tammy and Andrea. Within hours, hashtags began trending on Twitter and TikTok, with people debating whether it was real or some kind of publicity stunt. TLC has not officially confirmed details, but insiders claim that the cameo was both genuine and filmed for an upcoming episode. If true, it means fans will soon see the crossover unfold on television in a way that merges two of TLC's biggest franchises into a single unforgettable moment. Reality TV insiders have been quick to speculate about why this crossover happened. Some argue it was purely a rating strategy, as TLC has seen enormous success by creating unexpected connections between shows. Others believe Tammy herself requested the cameo because she is a longtime fan of 90 Day Fiancé and wanted to bring a piece of that world into her own special day. A third theory is that Tammy and Andrea have become friends with certain TLC personalities off camera, thanks to appearing at industry events and TLC-sponsored gatherings, which made the cameo feel more natural than random. No matter the reason, it has worked wonders in terms of publicity. Entertainment blogs, gossip magazines, and fan-run podcasts are all buzzing with analysis of what it means for Tammy's story moving forward. Tammy's engagement has already been seen as a milestone moment in her life story. For years, she battled not just her weight but also her own doubts about ever being loved in a healthy, supportive way. Many of her past relationships were criticized by fans for being exploitative, with partners Sammy NGLY more interested in fame than in Tammy's well-being. But her bond with Andrea has been different. Andrea is seen as someone who encourages Tammy to continue her health journey, respects her boundaries, and supports her newfound confidence as she navigates life after dramatic weight loss surgery. The engagement was meant to symbolize Tammy's new chapter, but the 90 Day Fiancé cameo has unexpectedly transformed it into a cultural event that extends beyond the 1000 LB Sisters fan base. The buzz has also reignited discussions about Tammy's future on television. Some fans are now wondering whether TLC is experimenting with creating crossover storylines that could eventually lead to a larger, shared universe of reality shows. Imagine a spin-off where cast members from 1000 LB Sisters and 90 Day Fiancé appear in a joint special, or even a crossover reunion episode. While that may sound far-fetched, TLC has been known to test such concepts before. The network has experimented with combining cast members from different shows in tell-all specials and joint events. Tammy's engagement could be the perfect test case to see how audiences react to blending two wildly popular but very different reality TV formats. At the same time, Tammy herself has been embracing her growing role as a pop culture figure. Since her weight loss surgery, she has stunned fans with her dramatic transformation, posting TikTok videos and Instagram updates that highlight not just her slimmer figure but also her vibrant personality. She has gone from being a cautionary tale to an inspirational figure for many viewers who struggle with obesity and self-esteem. This engagement celebration, complete with a shocking cameo, feels like a victory lap for Tammy, proving that she can reinvent her image and step into a brighter future. The addition of a 90 Day Fiancé star only adds another layer of intrigue, signaling that Tammy's life is now intersecting with other big names in the TLC universe. Fans have not been shy about voicing their excitement online. Some are thrilled, calling it one of the most entertaining surprises in recent reality TV history. Others are skeptical, suggesting that the cameo was staged, and questioning whether Tammy truly wanted it or if it was purely a network decision. A smaller group has expressed frustration, worrying that the Slayton family's show is becoming too gimmicky and losing its original focus on real-life struggles. But as with most reality TV controversies, the debate only fuels more attention, ensuring that when the episode finally airs, the ratings will likely spike as viewers tune in to see the cameo with their own eyes. Tammy herself has not commented directly on the cameo, but she has posted a series of cryptic TikTok clips showing her smiling, holding hands with Andrea, and flashing her engagement ring while lip-syncing to romantic songs. Fans immediately flooded the comments with questions about the 90 Day Fiancé twist, but Tammy only teased viewers with emojis and vague replies. Whether she's under contract to stay quiet or simply enjoying the suspense, it's clear she knows how to keep fans invested in her story. As the engagement celebration continues to dominate headlines, one thing is certain: Tammy Slayton has once again proven that she is one of TLC's most unpredictable stars. What began as a deeply personal moment, her engagement to Andrea, has now become a viral spectacle that connects two massive fan communities and redefines what viewers can expect from reality television crossovers. For Tammy, it's not just about finding love or losing weight anymore. It's about stepping into a new level of stardom where her personal milestones become entertainment events that capture global attention. The big question now is what happens next. Will Tammy and Andrea's wedding also feature shocking cameos from the TLC universe? Could fans expect more crossover appearances from other 90 Day Fiancé stars, or even members of different franchises altogether? Will TLC use this momentum to craft an entirely new reality format? Whatever the case may be, Tammy's engagement has set the stage for a new era of reality TV storytelling, one where nothing is too surprising, and every twist is bigger than the last. For now, fans are left eagerly awaiting the next episode, where the engagement celebration and its unbelievable cameo will play out in full detail. And if history has taught us anything, it's that with Tammy Slayton, the story is never over, it's only just beginning. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.